Hi, want to know how to enable or disable always on display on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open our Google Play Store and here download this application, name of which is Movies Edge, because unfortunately this phone doesn't have in it the always on display feature, so we would need to do it with the help of this app. Now, when you have downloaded this app, we would need to click on this big blue button open, and here as a first step, we would need to give permission to this application to draw over apps. So we would need to click on this button in the bottom part of your screen and here scroll through this app list until you'll find the Movies Edge. Now click on it and here click on this slider. Now we can go back with the help of back button, and now as a next step here we would need to click on this tab which is named Settings. Here we would need to choose our always on display, and as you can see we still got some required permissions, so let's click on it. And here as a first step we click on this button other permissions. We would need to choose this one which is show on lock screen and choose always allow. Now let's go back, and the second permission that we would need to give, that's to home screen shortcuts. Then click always allow and go back. And the last permission that we got here is open new windows while running in the background. So also click on it, choose always allow, and this is it. Now we have successfully given all of the required permissions. And here to enable or disable the always on display, we would need to click on this slider at the right upper corner. So if we will click on it, you can see that we don't have any access to the settings of always on display, which means that this feature is disabled. And now to enable it, we would need to click on this slider at the right upper corner. And this is it. Now our always on display is enabled, and let me show you how to choose theme. So here we would need to go back to the settings list and switch to the tab which is named AOD. Here you would need to just simply choose the theme that you like the most. For example, I'll choose this one and then click on this button apply. And this is it. Now you can see that this is applied, and let's check it out. I'll turn off my phone and then tap on it. And this is it, how the always on display looks. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.